Now let's revisit a problem we started in our last set of video notes, except for part B. Now they're asking us to find the equation of the tangent line of y equals g of x at x equals pi. So remember, the equation of any line is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we know that x1 is going to be pi. So y1 is going to be g of pi, which is f of sine of pi. Well, sine of pi is 0, so that's f of 0. So if we try to find f of 0 using this accumulation function above, that's going to equal the integral from 0 to 0 of square root 4 plus t squared dt. Well, if we're finding the integral from the same constant to itself, that overall answer is 0. So we know that y1 is 0. Now we need to find m, our slope. So first we need to find the derivative of g. G prime of x equals f prime of sine of x times cosine x. We did this in our last notes, but let's do it again. So f prime of x is the derivative with respect to x of this accumulation function. So we're going to use FTC part 2 with chain rule. Plugging in 3x, we get 9x squared multiplied by its derivative is 3. So now that we know what f prime of x is, we can go back to g prime, and that's going to be 3 square root of 4 plus 9 times sine squared of x times cosine x. So if we want our slope, we need to plug in pi into this derivative. So this is 3 cosine of pi square root of 4 plus 9 sine squared of pi. So we know sine squared of pi is going to be 0. Cosine of pi is -1. So this is 3 times -1 times square root of 4. So that is -6. So now we have everything we need for the equation of our tangent line. We have x1, we have y1, and we have m. So the equation of the line is y minus 0 equals -6 times x minus pi. And we can leave our answer in point slope form.